In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in ClickUp. We'll start from the overview area of your team space inside my workspace. This is a great place to see high-level information across your work, and it's the right starting point for creating a report that your team can use and revisit. From there, open the project you want to report on. This ensures everything you build is focused on the right scope and avoids pulling in tasks from unrelated spaces. Once your project is open, look for the View options at the top. Click View, then choose Dashboard. Dashboards in ClickUp are collections of widgets that visualize your work, things like task counts, status breakdowns, activity feeds, and summaries, so you can keep stakeholders aligned without digging through lists. When prompted, select the simple dashboard. This template gives you a clean starting point that already includes the most common report components. It's quick to set up and easy to tailor later if you need more detail. With the dashboard open, access the dashboard menu in the header and choose Rename. Give it a clear, recognizable title like Report. A descriptive name helps teammates find it later and makes it obvious what it's for when you share or favorite it. Now let's look at what's inside. The AI Executive Summary provides a concise, natural language overview of what's happening across your selected work. It's helpful for leadership updates or quick stand-ups. If you use this feature, make sure your filters match the project or team you want summarized so the insights reflect the right tasks. Open Tasks by Asini shows who has work in progress and where items might be piling up. This is ideal for planning and balancing workload. If you're seeing too much or too little data, check the filters and time range so it reflects your specific project. Total Tasks by Assignee gives you the complete count of tasks per person, including completed items if your filters are set that way. Use this to understand overall distribution and context around throughput, not just what's currently open. Tasks due this week or overdue focuses attention on deadlines. It's a practical view for meetings, helping you quickly surface what needs immediate action and what's at risk. Finally, latest activity shows the most recent changes, new tasks, comments, status updates, so you can see momentum and follow-ups without scrolling through individual tasks. That's it. You've navigated to your workspace overview, opened your project, created a dashboard using the simple dashboard template, renamed it to Report, and reviewed the key widgets that turn your project into a clear, shareable report. Keep your filters aligned with your project and you'll always have an up-to-date picture of progress and priorities.